I am Pauly. I'm Everett from Flint, Michigan. I don't know. I used to take the bus all the time back home in Flint. I think if I was just having a normal day waiting for a bus to pull up and something like this pulled up, it made me smile, you know? I've done like larger cargo vans, and I painted on a school bus before, but this would be the first transit bus. I'm excited to see it out in downtown Saginaw and stuff when it's all ready, but there's a lot of prep work that goes into that. The whole application process, I had to come up with concepts and sketch and kind of mock up of how it would look on the bus. Some of it I actually painted out at home. Stuff on the other side, just like experiment with it to see if it would look good. I would say part of the job. It's always been part of the job. You know, I paint for me, but I paint for everybody to enjoy it. So I'm happy about it.